Have you ever stopped to ponder the significance of your liver? In this video, we're diving deep into the crucial role of the liver, exploring why it's essential for your overall health. Many people aren't aware that they have a fatty liver until it's too late. But fear not, we'll not only shed light on the importance of the liver, but also discuss practical ways to keep it healthy. Let's start by demystifying bile. Contrary to popular belief, bile isn't produced by the gallbladder, it's actually synthesized in the liver. But why does bile matter? Well, think of bile as nature's detergent, essential for breaking down fats in your digestive system. When you consume fat, bile swoops in to emulsify it, increasing its surface area for enzymes to work their magic. This process ensures optimal digestion and absorption of vital nutrients like vitamins A, E, D, and K, as well as omega-3 fatty acids. Without sufficient bile, you risk deficiencies in these nutrients, leading to various health issues ranging from vision problems to heart disease. Furthermore, bile plays a crucial role in cholesterol metabolism, preventing the formation of gallstones and aiding in the elimination of toxins from the body. A malfunctioning liver not only impairs bile production, but also compromises your body's ability to detoxify, leaving you vulnerable to a plethora of health challenges. One telltale sign of liver dysfunction is a fatty liver, a condition rampant in today's society. Symptoms may include shoulder pain, abdominal discomfort, and digestive issues. But perhaps most concerning is the impact on thyroid function and hormone regulation. A healthy liver is indispensable for converting thyroid hormones and maintaining hormonal balance, crucial for overall well-being. Moreover, the liver acts as a buffer for sex hormones, preventing imbalances that can lead to conditions like polycystic ovarian syndrome and hormonal disruptions in men. How do you know if your bile levels are suboptimal? Keep an eye out for signs like difficulty digesting fats, light-colored stools, or persistent bloating. These red flags indicate a potential deficiency in bile, signaling the need for intervention. Now, let's get practical. Alongside dietary interventions like the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting, incorporating a liver-nourishing shake into your routine can work wonders. Packed with kale, blueberries, and kefir, this concoction boasts a powerhouse of nutrients proven to support liver health. Kale and blueberries, rich in quercetin, are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties and ability to combat fatty liver disease. Meanwhile, kefir delivers probiotics essential for gut health and fat metabolism. Blend these ingredients together for a delicious and effective way to promote liver wellness. In conclusion, the liver is far more than just a filter. It's a metabolic powerhouse crucial for your health and vitality. By understanding the vital role of bile, recognizing signs of liver dysfunction, and adopting practical strategies like the liver-nourishing shake, you can safeguard your liver and optimize your well-being. Remember, a healthy liver is the foundation of a healthy life. So let's give this remarkable organ the attention it deserves. Cheers to liver health and vitality.